outdated or corrupt graphics drivers are a very common cause of DirectX errors. For NVIDIA GPUs, visit the official NVIDIA driver download page, or use the GeForce Experience app to check for and install the latest drivers. For AMD GPUs, go to the official AMD drivers and support page, or use the AMD Adrenalin software. For Intel GPUs, use the Intel Driver and Support Assistant. A clean installation is recommended. When running the installer, select the option for a clean install to ensure all old files are removed. Restart your computer after the installation is complete. Step 2. Update DirectX and Windows. DirectX. Ensure you have the latest version of DirectX installed. You can download the latest DirectX end-user runtime web installer from the Microsoft website. Windows. Make sure your operating system is fully up to date. Go to Settings, Windows Update and check for any available updates. Install them and restart your PC. Step 3. Verify game files. Sometimes, game files can become corrupted, leading to crashes. Error app. Go to your game library, find Battlefield 6, click the 3 dots, and select Repair. Steam. Right-click on Battlefield 6 in your library, go to Properties, Installed Files, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Step 4. Adjust in-game graphics settings. High-quality settings can sometimes be unstable and trigger crashes. If you can get into the game for a short period, try the following. Lower graphics quality. Reduce overall graphics settings from ultra to high or medium. Change display mode. Switch from full screen to windowed or borderless windowed mode. Disable overlays. Turn off overlays from programs like the Error app, Steam, Discord, or NVIDIA GeForce Experience. These can sometimes interfere with the game. Disable specific features. Some users have reported success by disabling specific in-game features like screen space OW and GI. Step 5. Disable overclocking and undervolting. If you have overclocked your CPU, GPU, or RAM, or have undervolted your CPU, this can cause instability. Revert to default. Use the software you used for overclocking, e.g., MSI Afterburner, RivetTuner, to set your hardware back to its default speeds. Check BIOS. If you've overclocked your RAM using XMP, Intel, or DOCP, Expo, AMD, profiles, try disabling these in your BIOS and running at the default JEDEC speed. Step 6. Close background applications. Unnecessary background programs can conflict with the game or consume valuable system resources. Use Task Manager. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC to open the Task Manager. Go to the Processes tab and close any non-essential applications. Disable overclocking monitoring tools. It's known that certain monitoring tools like MSI Afterburner and RivetTuner can cause issues. Close or uninstall them. Step 7. Reinstall the game. If all else fails, a fresh installation may be necessary. Uninstall. Completely uninstall Battlefield 6 from your computer. Clear leftover files. Check your Documents folder and the AppData folder, %appdata%, for any leftover Battlefield 6 files and delete them. Reinstall. Reinstall the game. Consider installing it on a different SSD if possible. Additional troubleshooting. Run as administrator. Right-click the game's executable file and select Run as administrator. You can also set this permanently in the compatibility settings. Enable Secure Boot. Battlefield 6 and its anti-cheat system may require Secure Boot to be enabled in your BIOS. This is a more advanced step and you should consult your motherboard's manual for instructions. Increase virtual memory. Increasing the size of your paging file can help with memory-related issues. You can manage this in your advanced system settings under Performance.